Happy Valentine's Day. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new around here, my name's Alyssa or AJ. I'm one half of ESCOTE Adventures, formerly known as Disney for Two, even though we will always be Disney for Two. Most of our videos are vlogs at the parks, but this video is a little different. My best friend Erika, she invited me to do this video, and it's a box swap. So, it's my first one. And if you are new to this type of video, what happens is the organizer assigns you a person and you gift that person a box. There's usually a limit and usually people go over it. I sent my person their box and I hope they love it. I am so excited to open my box. I don't know who it's from, but look at this box. Look at how cute it is. So for this box swap exchange, this Galentine, Manentine video, there are other videos listed, and we'll be putting them all in the bottom bar below, and there'll be a playlist for you to see them all, and then you can check out what I gifted to my person. So it's really fun and such a fun way to spread some peace, love, and Disney magic. Here we go. I'm gonna open my box, and my box is so cute. It has all these hearts and conversation hearts. I already cut it open, so. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. It's like not gonna stay open. Oh, this is so sweet and so cute. I just barely opened it and oh wow. Confetti is coming out. Look at all of the cute little mini Valentines. Do you see that? How cute. I love these glitter hearts. There is a card on top and it has my favorite, or one of my favorite characters, Figment. He's my first Valentine. Sorry, babe. So the card says, imagination, imagination. A dream can be a dream come true with just that spark in me and you. With little hearts everywhere. This is so cute. I want to just frame this. That's so adorable. Okay, so this is from Sariea, DreamItDIY. I have seen a couple of your videos, Sariea, and she is a DIY. It's in her name. She is the DIY queen. I'm really excited to see what she dreamt up here for this box. So she wrote a note. Happy Galentine's Day. AJ, I'm so happy I got you for this swap. It was so much fun getting to know you and tailoring a Valentine's Day box to you. I hope you love everything and it brings a little Disney magic to your Valentine's Day. Love, Sariea, DreamItDIY. P.S. Gifts are numbered, open in order. Oh gosh. Okay, here we go. That's so sweet. Thank you. I love it. Sariea, you are so talented, and how did you get this in here? But no, seriously, you are very talented and so creative. Number 1, a tasty treat, simple, yummy, and fun to eat. The confetti is going everywhere. I see it. It looks like a jar. All right, so number 1, it looks like a honey pot, honey jar. Look at how sweet. Honey, and it looks like there's honey coming out of it. I got it open. Ooh, got some Andes mints. I love these. Looks like caramel, chocolate and caramel. This is so cute. I love Winnie the Pooh, and this is gonna be such a great spot to put some candies. Also, I totally forgot our portrait back here, our poster. It's got Figment on it. It's you. Number 2. Okay. Okay, here we go. Here's number 2. Your mind defines what enters through your nose. That's how you tell a skunk is not a rose. I'm like singing it in my head. I won't sing it out loud. Don't worry. Aww, that's so, I love that. Keeping with the theme, Sariea. I see what you're doing there. Oh, it has Figment. It says the Imagination Institute. Walt Disney World Epcot Center on top. Is it a candle? What is it? Okay, let's see. Yes, it's a candle. Look at how cute. Oh, that smells lovely. That smells very springy. Yeah, spring dew. That smells so nice. I love this. Oh my gosh. This is like so perfect, obviously, for me. And I love this logo. Anything that says Epcot Center, that's the jam right there. Oh, thank you so much. All right, number 3. Every touch has a feeling, but soft and comfortable are most appealing. Oh, this is cute. Love, 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 love. Oh, are these socks? I think they're socks, you guys. This is so cute. Okay, so it's 3 pairs of crew socks. Oh, looks like they're Valentine themed. Here's the first pair. Look how adorable. Minnie and Mickey and all the hearts. Oh, that's so cute. I love socks. I always steal VJ's, so now I have more of my own to lounge around in. Pair number 2, it says share the love, if you can see that. And I think Minnie, yep, Minnie's kissing Mickey. How cute. And pair number 3. Oh, this is so cute. This one has a lot of different hearts on it. This one's gray, and it looks like Minnie and Mickey are trying to steal a kiss. These are so adorable, so on theme. This is great. Thank you. Number 4. From just a sound, your mind has wings. Literally humming the song to myself. It broke. I don't know. Hold on. It broke. The frame. One of the sides broke. Ah! Okay, we can get a new frame. That's totally easy. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. So it's a piece of sheet music, and it is Once Upon a Dream from Sleeping Beauty, and then there's a piece of artwork. I love that, they're dancing. I love that song too. So I just gotta get a new frame, but this is really cute, such a good idea. On the back it says scan me, so I'm gonna have to do that later. This is such a cool idea, thank you so much. All right, last but not least, number 5. There's more to sight than meets the eye. Oh. Oh, okay, okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's Figment. He's painting a little light bulb. How adorable, and it looks like it lights up. Let's try it. Oh, cute. Aww. And of course, it's in purple, because duh, that's his color. Look, oh my gosh, it's so cute. I love this. I need like a little Figment display now. This is so adorable. I would never be able to do something like this. This was so amazing. Thank you so much. Well guys, that was it. That was the box. That was so sweet. Such a fun way to spread some Disney magic and some Valentine's Day love. And remember, this video was a collab video with so many other great Disney YouTubers. Make sure to check out their videos below. I'm so excited to see everyone's, and it was so much fun getting to know everyone through this swap. Thank you again, Erika, for putting it together. And Sariea, thank you so much, so very much. All these gifts were so thoughtful. But I hope you guys have a great day. We'll see you in the next video. Bye. I just drew a blank, so. What should I say? I don't know what I was saying. Oh, so this, I'm getting so nervous. Why am I getting so nervous?